Getting over him. I got no rules, I count 'em.
Hey guys, it's Bree. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a foundation wear test. The foundation I'm testing out is the new Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Foundation. I am very sick right now. I've had a cold for the past week, so I'm really sorry about that. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and don't forget to subscribe. And if you want to see how this foundation wears, just keep watching. Okay guys, so I'm super excited to be testing out the new Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Full Coverage Foundation. I am sick. I sound like crap. I'm sorry. I hate it. So I've heard really good things about this foundation, so I'm really excited I was able to get my hands on it. The last couple of times I went to Ulta, because I don't have one in town, so it's when we go out of town, they didn't have it in store. So I got the shade F5. It was really weird trying to pick these out, and the Ulta that I went to didn't have testers in this, so I just kind of had to guess. But this is for light skin with golden undertones, which I don't think that'll match me. I don't know. We'll see. So this retails for $12. You get 0.8 fluid ounces, which is a little less than a standard fluid ounce that comes in most foundations. So it's vegan, cruelty-free, paraben-free, oil-free. It's lightweight yet buildable. It comes in 24 shades. Oil-free yet creamy and comfortable formula. Dries down, long-lasting, demi-matte finish. Says it will not settle into fine lines or cling to dry patches. We shall see. Okay, so to prep my skin, I'm going to use the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer Water. I seriously sound so sick. I'm sorry. It's really annoying. And then going in with the Tatcha, the Silk Canvas Primer. So I'm just gonna, oh, this doesn't look very light. I was nervous when I read it that it was gonna be too light. So I'm gonna blend out one side with a brush and the other side with a sponge and see which one I like more. I was expecting a thicker consistency. It's surprisingly not as thick as I thought it was gonna be. So on this side I'm gonna go in with my Morphe M439. Pretty good coverage right off the bat. I still can see some of my scars coming through. Not too crazy though. Okay, so I'm gonna blend it out with a sponge on this side. See if there is any noticeable difference. Normally I go in with a foundation brush and blend my foundation out, and then I go over the top of it with a sponge because I like the finish better. That's just how I normally do that. I don't see any difference really on either side. I might have got a little more coverage on the brush side, but not really. So this is one layer. I think I am gonna leave this. I don't really want it too full coverage. I am sick. I'm just sitting at home today, you know, feeling like crap. It is currently 12:01, so we will call 12 the check-in time. I am going to go finish up the rest of my makeup and I will be right back. Okay guys, so it is 12:22. I just finished up the rest of my makeup. I was like quick on it, done. I just didn't want my voice to die because I've been talking, which I feel like it's gonna die anyways. So my check-in time is at 12. I will see you guys in a couple of hours. This is what my foundation looks like with my makeup all done. I think it looks really good. I really like the way my foundation looks right now. On camera, it looks beautiful. In person, it does look really good. It's very skin-like, which I'm surprised about. It's very pretty. So far, I'm really liking this foundation. I will see you guys in a couple hours for my first check-in. Okay guys, so it is currently 3:42. I wanted to do a check-in before I went to go get my son from school. Oh, my voice. This is what the foundation is looking like. I'm going to zoom you guys in. I'm going to turn down the brightness a little bit. So this is what my skin is looking like. I actually really like this foundation. I think it looks really good on the skin. It looks really nice. I took my lipstick off already, so ignore that. I do have these dry spots right here. I don't know, my skin, let me scooch you guys back out. My skin is being so weird right now, so I have like dry patches right here by my mouth. And so those look kind of funky. It looks like it's doing something a little weird right around my nose, just on this side, not on this side. And then it did settle into my lines up here, which they always do. I'm gonna just take my beauty blender, see if I can kind of bounce those out. So that made it a little less noticeable. I don't look oily anywhere. I don't look super dry anywhere except for those weird dry patches, but that's my skin right now. It looks pretty good on my forehead. All my makeup is on still. It looks really nice. I think that this is a beautiful foundation. I think it looks amazing on camera. Like, I'm surprised how pretty it looks. This is really pretty. So I will do another check-in at the end of the night before I take my makeup off and let you guys know how it wore for the rest of the day. But so far, I'm very impressed. I really am. So it is 7:02 p.m. I was gonna try to make it longer, but I'm sick. I don't feel good. I just can't. Okay, you can see like the lines in my forehead look pretty bad. It looks a little bit rubbed off right here, but I was like laying on my face like this. Besides my forehead, which I feel like always looks terrible. So besides my forehead, which always looks like this at the end of the day, so it's nothing horrible, I think my skin looks really nice. And then right around my mouth, it still looks dry in these two spots. Excuse my lips. And it's separating a little bit on my chin, but not anything terrible. I feel like this foundation looks really good after 7 hours. I definitely would try it again. I think my skin in person and on camera looks really beautiful. I'm very surprised by this. I'm very excited to keep using this. I think this one's a winner. Okay guys, so those were all of my thoughts on this foundation. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Don't forget to subscribe. I post 3 videos every week. Go ahead and leave me a comment down below if you've tried this foundation and what you think about it. I did film a 5 first impressions on this makeup look, so if you want to see that, I will link it down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in my next video.
Getting over him. I got no rules, I count 'em.